If Vivaldi is using more memory or battery power than you'd like, there are a couple of built-in features that can help. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce RAM usage and improve battery life using Vivaldi's Memory Saver and Energy Saver settings. To get started, open Vivaldi and press Ctrl plus F12 to open the Settings menu. Once Settings opens, select Performance from the menu on the left side. Here you'll find both the Memory Saver and Energy Saver settings. Memory Saver helps reduce RAM usage by unloading inactive tabs after a period of time. The tabs remain open in your tab bar, but their contents are removed from memory until you return to them. Memory Saver offers 4 different levels: Never Save Memory, Minimum Savings, Balance Savings, and Maximum Savings. Choose the option that best matches how you use your browser. Higher savings levels will hibernate inactive tabs more aggressively to reduce RAM usage, while lower levels keep tabs active for longer. Higher up on the same page, you'll find the Energy Saver settings. Energy Saver helps reduce battery consumption, especially on laptops and portable devices. When enabled, Vivaldi limits certain background activities and optimizes browser behavior to use less power. You can choose when Energy Saver should activate. For example, you can have it turn on automatically when your device is running on battery power or only when the battery level drops below a certain percentage. You can also choose to always use Energy Saver or disable it completely by selecting the Never option. Using Memory Saver and Energy Saver together can help Vivaldi run more efficiently, particularly if you tend to keep many tabs open or use your browser for long periods throughout the day. Memory Saver can be especially useful on systems with limited RAM, where reducing memory usage may help improve overall responsiveness. Keep in mind that hibernated tabs will need a moment to reload when you return to them, but for many users, the reduction in memory usage is well worth the trade-off. That's it. You've successfully set up Memory Saver and Energy Saver in Vivaldi. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.